Hello everybody, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and all my followers. I'm here in Parker, Colorado at this time of the day, beautiful day. I'm here in this house because we are gonna do a small job, which is a small repair that we are gonna do in the floor. It's something that we don't do so often, but also we can offer that to the customer that they request for that at this time. So I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna flip around the camera and show you guys what is going on right now. All right, like I said, it's a beautiful day. Can you see here in Parker, Colorado? But anyway, guys, I'm here to show you. I have all the equipment right here. Let me see. Look at this, we have here Eric. He's taking out all the wood from the floor. Actually, because there is a water damage over there. Or not really water damage, was something about her exactly. So she did something that I rather don't mention here in the video, but so we're here right now doing this job, small job, but stay tuned guys to see the result. All right guys, I'm back here to show you the process that we are doing right now. This is the last couples plank of wood that we are installing. After that, we'll be sanding a little bit all the wood to try to correct all the imperfections on it. So stay tuned, guys. Okay, guys, this is the final result after the first coat. So we are gonna let it dry and come back and put the second coat. Stay tuned and see the final result. Okay, we're back here applying the second coat to this small area, and that is gonna be the whole process, guys. So follow me and stay tuned.